just did a sweet potato harvest that was a total flop. Ta-ta. Looks like we got something going over here. These are the macatillas. The macatillas. I'm so tired, y'all. This is what I'm harvesting. This has been here for a while. Late summer. So it may not be many, but look. That's a good start. Let's hope we got more. I'm really tired. I did not expect to do this much work, but then again, I did. Let's see. All that beautiful foliage, and if I just get 2 sweet potatoes, that's hilarious. Look, and then they have these little tiny ones. Look like carrots almost. Oh, this is nice. I feel something. What is it? Ah, oddly shaped, but yet it is a sweet potato. Oh, it's very oddly shaped. Look at this one. Look. Oh gosh. Okay. I'm trying to do it in a way where I can keep everything under control. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Oh, my arm. Roots, a clump of roots. Here's a nice one. Oh, the skin is very tender. So far we have 4 decent sized sweet potatoes. Oh, look at these little tiny ones. Look at this. Look at these little bitty things. All that beautiful foliage, that's what gets me. They have all this beautiful foliage and with the foliage on a macatilla and the marguerite. A lot of people like growing them and using them as just like coverage because it looks so pretty, those light green leaves. And then afterwards, oh, and you could also harvest those leaves. I'm over here and eat them. But and you know, in my case, I wanted sweet potatoes also, not just pretty green foliage. So lots of roots. Boy, you know what? I say this: I would not mind growing them again, but I would hope for a larger harvest. And there's another variety I'd like to grow too next time. Oh, uh-oh. There we go. Well, I'll tell you, I think that's it. But not much. That's something, isn't it? All those pretty flowers. I mean, pretty leaves, and just a few little scrawny taters. That's okay. Oh boy. I did better with the border guards. There we go, y'all. That looks like my Makatia harvest. I see a lot of these little thin roots, little thin tubers here. That is weird. Look how they grew. Those are potatoes. They just came out really thin, almost like roots. Well, that's what they are, but it's supposed to grow into a full-size potato or tuber. Okay, you guys. Look, I'm not even sad. I'm so used to it now that look, I got something, and they were nice and pretty and bushy, huh? I gotta move on. I got so much more to do before I call it a day. All right, you guys. Well, at least I got something out of it. Well, that is amazing to have a plant grow like that. And this is all you get. I tell you. But look, I would not mind trying it again. I have no problem trying to grow these again. Mekatia or Makatia. There we go. Oh, this is a very weird one. These are the marguerites. Let's see what we got. This is tripping me out. What is that? Come on, give me more potatoes. More tutors, please. Oh gosh. Super strange. Okay. Yeah, that's why I decided to, just as I expected, nothing. I think there's one potato. So that's why it's like, I'm not going to let these containers sit here any longer. Taking up space and energy. But I know ain't nothing going on in there. This is amazing, y'all. But since I suspected as much, I'm not really surprised. Alright. I'm just making sure I tear through the entire, there we go, container to make sure. One potato, two potato, three potato, none. All right. And in this situation, I don't even think they dissolved. It's not even a situation of them dissolving in the soil. They just didn't produce anything. They're just pretty. So if you want pretty lush green leaves as coverage, you know, ground coverage, whatever, hey, here you go. This is the Marguerite. I have one sweet potato, one tuber, and the other that you saw, the kind of light orange potato, that was the Makatia. So we're done. Finished. Okay, I still have those Beauregards, but they're going to be in there a while longer. So, all right, you guys, thank you for joining me in the Joy Garden today. I appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, hey, thank you for joining me on this journey. All right, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye now.